Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are making an asparagus sauce with chickpea pasta. Stay tuned. The first thing you'll need is 3 tablespoons of olive oil, a bundle of asparagus chopped up, 1 large onion, and lastly 5 garlic cloves chopped up. You want to saute this for about 5 minutes. Our next step is to blend all our ingredients with 8 ounces of water. This next step is optional. If you like mushrooms, you can add them on here. We added some olive oil to the same pan. These are oyster mushrooms, but you can use mushrooms of your choice. Again, in the same pan, remove your mushrooms and add the asparagus sauce that we blended up. Add 8 ounces of cream cheese. Mix together until the cream cheese dissolves. Add salt and pepper to your liking. Then our next step here is to add your mushrooms back in, along with some chicken. Can't forget the bacon. And lastly, your pasta. We used chickpea pasta, but you can use pasta of your choice. Then you want to mix everything together until combined. Lastly, we added freshly grated Parmesan cheese and parsley. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching this super simple asparagus pasta recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos coming soon.